Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Rohivia Academy. I hope you are liking our regular educational content which we are posting about CWRV concept, how to understand the market sentiments, how to read a candle, their wicks and their volume. In this brand new video, I'm going to teach you how to combine all the informations together and how to analyze the market properly by understanding 4-5 past candles and their volumes and the wicks. So let's move to the video guys, and there's one more thing. I'm not a financial advisor, so consider this video as an educational videos only. So here I am on USD JPY chart, and here I can see that market is in a range, and here I already have placed these lines. These lines are representing first support area. These two lines are representing first resistance area, and these two lines are representing our last resistance area, last line, right? Now here I can see that two buyers candle have entered in the market. Second candle's volume is also nice. The first candle's volume is low. And here I can see that now market is trying to move in up direction. So there are possibility that buyers can take control of the market. But if this candle will increase the volume, then there are more possibility that sellers can take control of the market. But if this candle will decrease the volume, there are more possibility that buyers can again enter in the market because they are strong at this place. So if they will decrease, they will enter. If they will increase, they will enter. Means the red will enter. Right now here I can see that they have dropped the volume, but there is one more, pattern based setup. If you have done my CWRV sessions, then you must know about the pattern based setup. I have a pattern based setup, and I see this type of setup whenever form in the market. There are more chances that sellers can take control over the market. The logic is very simple, guys. Two buyers candle have entered in very strongly in the market. They have increased the volume. Means buyers have power to take control over the market. But even though they are so strong in the market, the third candle closed as a seller's candle, right? So in this candle, if the candle size is small and the volume is also small, that is called validation. If the candle is small and the volume is high, that is called anomaly. So here I think the candle is small and the volume is small represents the only one party enter in this particular candle, and there are possibility that the sellers can again take control over the market. So that's why I said this candle can be a seller's candle, and here you can see that this worked, right? So this was based on the pattern based setup, right? Now let's open the chart again, USD JPY, and let's try to analyze the market now. Okay, now here I can see that there's a very good rejection came out from the seller side, and they have dropped the volume. See the pattern that I have shared you guys, that is a combination of bunch of candles, like three candles, four candles, not in based on the single candle. You can understand that. Okay, so here sellers have entered very strongly in the market. They have dropped the volume. Good rejection was there from the seller side. So that's why buyers are trying to take control of the market. If this candle will close as a buyer's candle, good buyer's candle, and they increase the volume, there are more possibility that the strong party will enter again. But if they will decrease the volume, the other party, which is already available in the fluctuation, in the pressure of every single candle, they will definitely attack here, right? Like here, now they have increased the volume. So now there are possibility that the market will move in the same direction, right? Let's wait for it. Buyers are so nice in the market. In the previous candle, if you can see from here, there are multiple rejections from the buyer side. Means nearby this place, buyers are available. Two sellers candle have entered in the market. They drop the volume. Means they drop the power. Right after that, one seller's candle entered. They drop the power. Means there are more possibility at this place. There were more possibility for sellers, but again buyers took control over the market, and they have increased the volume also, right? So whenever sellers are dropping the power, buyers are trying to enter in the market. Here, the same thing happened. Two sellers candle have entered in the market. They dropped the volume. Right after that, again, one buyer's candle have entered in the market. They increased the volume. Means weak plus power. So it's a weakness plus power concept, and there are possibility the same party which is strong in the market, they will enter, because there is also a gap between the recent market and the nearest resistance level, right? Now here you can see that this candle closed as a very fresh green candle, right? So this is CWRV concept, guys. CWRV means candle wick reading with volume. I am understanding the candle, the volume, the wicks, the movement of the market, right? Now let's try to open the chart again. And here I can see that buyers have entered very strongly, and they also have increased the volume. Now, here we cannot consider the buyers are strong and the market will move in up direction. Why? Because this is a very good sellers area, right? This is a very good sellers area. So here we cannot consider that buyers can break the area or buyers can enter in the market, right? For that, we need good confirmation. And what confirmation we need? Like this type of confirmation. If buyers will enter very strongly in the market and they break all the areas and they increase the volume also, then there are more possibility that buyers can continue in the same direction. Otherwise, the other party will enter again, because this is another party's area, right? This is, you can see that this is seller's area, right? So now here there are possibilities sellers can take control over the market, because this is a strong seller's area. You can see that from here also you can consider sellers can enter. From here also you can consider sellers can enter. From here also you can consider sellers can enter. Why? Because from here there were a very bulk order from the seller side, because look at the candle size. The candle size is so nice, right? Now the holders who ordered here, who hold their asset at this place, they definitely sell their asset. So that's why there are more possibility that from these types of areas sellers can take control over the market. And here this candle closed as a very good sellers candle. And you can see that they have also increased the volume. Means sellers are so nice at this place, right? So this is CWRV concept, guys, candle wick reading with volume. And I hope you are liking the content. Again, I'm saying I'm not a financial advisor, so these videos are only for educational purposes only. And yeah, I hope you liked it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video, guys.